All right, finance enthusiasts, let's unlock the magic of M1 Finance. But first, don't forget to smash that link in the description below to get your special discount. So, you're all about making money work for you, right? Well, M1 Finance is like having a financial superpower in your pocket. Here's how it works. First up, you need to set up your account. It's as easy as pie. Just head over to their website or download the app. Follow the simple steps to sign up, and boom, you're in the club. Now this is where it gets fun. M1 Finance has what's called pies. Think of them as your personalized investment pizzas. You get to pick the slices, or in this case, stocks and ETFs, that go into your pie. Want a slice of Tesla? How about a sprinkle of Apple? It's all up to you. To build your pie, just click on Create New Pie and start adding your favorite investments. You can choose from thousands of stocks and ETFs and adjust the percentage of each slice. It's like being a chef in a Michelin-starred kitchen, but with way less mess. Once your pie is ready, it's time to fund your account. Link your bank account and transfer some dough. M1 Finance makes it super easy, and you can start investing with as little as $100. The best part? M1 Finance is all about automation. You set your investing schedule, and they do the heavy lifting. Sit back, relax, and watch your investments grow. It's like having a personal financial assistant, but without the awkward small talk. And let's not forget about the rebalancing feature. Over time, your investments will naturally shift, but M1 Finance will automatically adjust your portfolio to keep it in line with your original plan. It's like having a built-in GPS for your money. All right, now that you're an M1 Finance pro, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below to get your special discount and start investing today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome finance tips. See you in the next video.